Welcome to my very last talk, last presentation on poets of all time. This is the 10th time, the 10th and the last, very last, not the least, presentation on poets of all time. And we have a great poet laureate from Odisha who startled the world, including India, with his simple poetry that is none other than Jayanta Mahapatra. I express my gratitude to God Almighty Jagannath for making it possible for me to speak on Jayanta Mahapatra. He is a really great man and a great poet, a very loving person. I must have met him 15 to 20 times in his Katak home. He lives in a place called Tingunia Bagicha, and the only house that has a bamboo plant, a bamboo tree. Jayanta Mahapatra is fast in many things. He was the first poet in English from India to get, Sahitya Academy. He was the first Odia poet to go abroad to read his poems. He was the first poet from Odisha to be translated into so many languages all over the world. He is the first poet who got the Chicago Poetry Award and Jacob Gladstein Award. I still remember when I was a student of Ravenshaw College, we were in 5th year MA in English. We felicitated Jayanta Mahapatra, and Madam, whom we fondly call Mausi, also came there. It was a wonderful occasion. Mausi used to write articles in Business Standard or Hindustan Standard, whatever, I don't remember now. And she used to exist, Business Standard, I believe, or maybe Hindustan Standard, published from Kolkata. And Ma'am also came, and Jayanta sir was there. He is a man of few words. He spoke very little, but he could startle us with our simplicity and imagination. He could really startle us. And we said, wow, a great man who has got such a great prize. We used to say, wow. Great man. Let me read out his poem, Hunger, which he wrote, I don't remember the year, but he has published in Dora paper, from his Dora paper. It was hard to believe. The flesh was heavy on my back. The fisherman said, will you have her carelessly, trailing his nets and his nerves as though his words sanctified the purpose with which he faced himself. I saw his white bone thrash his eyes. I followed him across the sprawling sands, my mind thumping in the flesh's sling. Hope lay perhaps in burning the house I lived in. Silence gripped my sleeves, his body clawed at the froth his old nets had dragged up from the seas. In the flickering dark, his lean-to opened like a wound. The wind was I, and the days and the nights before. Palm fronds scratched my skin. Inside the shack, an oil lamp splayed the hours, bunched to those walls over and over. The sticky soot crushed the space of my mind. I heard him say, my daughter, she has just turned 15. Feel her. I'll be back soon. Your bus leaves at 9. The sky fell on me, and her father suggested while, long and lean, her ears were cold as rubber. She opened her wormy legs wide. I felt the hunger there. The other one, the fish slithering, turning inside. So this is a representative poem from Dora paper by Jayanta Mahapatra. I am grateful to so many people for making it possible. I'm also grateful to this man, Ramnaran Panda, Magic Esments. He wrote a wonderful introduction to Jayanta Mahapatra in his collection of poems. I like Ramnaran, you have done a wonderful job. I like two of my scholars, Sharat Naik, retired principal of South Varanda College. He produced this thesis, and it's a real magnum opus. Done a wonderful job. Sharat, you have done a wonderful job. Mapping Oriya identity, a study through the poetry of Jayanta Mahapatra, Vibhu Padi, and Niranjan Mahdi, three great poets of Odisha. This is submitted to the Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, for the award of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in English by Sharat Kumar Naik under the supervision of Dr. Sharendra Narayan Tripathi. And also the other scholar who has also done a magnificent job is Anand Sethi, prayer motif in the poetry of Jayanta Mahapatra, Niranjan Mahanti and Vibhu Padi. Anand, you have done a significant work, wonderful work. This is submitted to Berhampur University for the award of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in English by Anand Sethi under the supervision of Dr. Sharendra Narayan Tripathi, the reader and head Department of English, BJP Autonomous College, Bhubaneswar. So, I produced two representative theses on Jayanta Mahapatra, Vibhu Padi, Niranjan Mahanti. One was mapping Odia identity, as I said, and the other one was poetry motif. And in Jayanta Mahapatra, both merge so wonderfully, Mapping Odia identity, he is the first poet from Odisha who put Odisha in the higher pedestal, put Odisha in the global map. People knew about Odisha. Earlier they knew about Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath is also a wonderful theme of Jayanta Mahapatra. Jayanta Mahapatra has written a lot about Lord Jagannath, Puri, the sea beach, the sea, Bay of Bengal, all in his poetry. I am really thankful to Jayanta Mahapatra for putting Lord Jagannath so wonderfully high for the global audience. I remember when I was doing my PhD in ASRC, American Studies Research Center. On my last day there, one visit I am talking about, last day, I was nearly hijacked by a woman into her room, and she closed the door and asked me, "You are from Odisha? You are from the land of Jayanta Mahapatra? It's wonderful. Tell me more about Jayanta Mahapatra." So this shows the kind of captivating spell he cast on readers in South India, North India, West India, East India. He was a great poet. He is a great poet. He is 90 plus now. He is still writing. He is a bilingual poet, and he made it very clear. I am Odishan poet. I write in Odia, and I also write in English. Jayanta Mahapatra is a great poet. I have so many wonderful memories about Jayanta Mahapatra. When I was in JKBK College, Cuttack, we had a seminar. I invited Jayanta Mahapatra. I drove him both the sides. I remember I drove Jayanta Mahapatra both the sides with my principal Goparanjan Mishra, who was very close to him, and also very close to me, a wonderful person. Both are so deeply affectionate to me. I am so grateful to Goparanjan Mishra and Jayanta Mahapatra. I remember in his speech, Jayanta Mahapatra spoke so well. He was handled the press so well. He spoke to the press, to the media. Unfortunately, I can't show the pictures right now, but I'll show you later, and the pictures are there in Facebook. You can have a look. He handled it so well, and after the seminar was over, he demanded food. He demanded lunch, and we had to tell Avi, the man from the kitchen. We told Avi to prepare some food, and he ate it. He ate it so gleefully, so happily. He ate rice, dal, whatever was prepared. Such a simple person. He is a very, very simple person. He loves Odishan food. He is Odia in every sense. from tip to toe, from Ming to Bing, as they say, from A to Z. He is Odia, and I love him. I love his house. When Mouse was there, I'll show you a picture which I had taken, Leslie had taken in his house. You can have a look at Jayanta Mahapatra there. Also, on the wall, Mouse's portrait adorns the wall. You can have a look. And he was very fond of my daughter. He liked my daughter very much. And this is the photo taken in Jayanta Mahapatra's house with his bamboo leaves, the representative bamboo leaves. So I'll read one more poem which I taught at +2, both at JKVK College and BJP College. The name of the poem is Of a Questionable Conviction, Jayanta Mahapatra, page 21. This book is so familiar, people would definitely remember. Of a Questionable Conviction. This is the man who talks of pain as though it belonged to him alone. Maybe he has invented it himself and made a virtue of it. Maybe he is a poet. For hours he waits in the night, towards another night he waits, for that is his excuse to leave. The empty window in his lonely wall belongs to him for months together. The window has been deceiving him. Light comes in and then goes away on its own. He has been trying to polish the light on his heart. They all say he was a poet. His eyes saw the pain in the mirror that occupied him. They didn't grudge him that. Such a harmless pastime never ruined anybody's sleep. It's so simple. Yeah, of a questionable conviction. It's very simple. And I learned my simplicity from Jayanta Mahapatra. He's so simple, but it tells a lot. As somebody said, or maybe Conrad said, dangerous simplicity. Dangerous simplicity. Simplicity so simple, it is dangerous because it's loaded with meaning. Jayanta Mahapatra is loaded with meaning. I can't forget to tell you here, two people who are very close to him. One is Gopalanjan Mishra, still close. The other person is Deepak Samantray, who was director All India Radio Cuttack, Berhampur, Jaipur. And Deepak Samantray, I think, had the best interview of Jayanta Mahapatra, in which he said that I dedicate my award. So he's the first person to get Sahitya Akademi Award. And he said, I dedicate this award to my cycle wala who repairs my bicycle. Such a simple person. I remember when I was a student of Ramcha College, he used to come in jeans. So I learned jeans from him. I learned so many things from him. He was putting on jeans and he used to move fast, very fast with Vibhu Padi, the other great poet. And they used to, go to the library and read a lot of things. And I used to also follow the same route, the same path. Of course, I can't be great like Jayanta Mahapatra. Jayanta Mahapatra is absolutely great, so great one can't think of. He is absolutely great. He deserves a Nobel Prize for literature. He has done enough for Indian literature, for Odishan literature, for world literature. And then Jayanta Mahapatra said that most of the Indian English poets lack focus because they talk about the town, they don't talk about the rural part, the rural landscape, which is so close to Jayanta Mahapatra. So with this, I pay my tribute, my regards to Jayanta Mahapatra. He is a very great poet. I think everybody should read him. And I think I have done justice. I read Jayanta Mahapatra, I was influenced by him. I still remember when he was in charge of the poetry section of Telegraph, he first published my poem on my grandmother. He's a great poet. I give my regards to Jayanta Mahapatra. God give him long life. May he continue and be a happy 100. Thank you so much.